Let's learn how to do multitasking. We can run two applications in same time. Let's learn how to do this. Now I open some applications. Okay, after click on your mobile recent key. Now select the application you want to multitask. Click on this ball icon on this application top area. After click on open in split screen view option. Now our first application is selected. Now we want to select your another application. You can select application on your recent apps or you can use your mobile pre-installed application. Now I select gallery. Okay. Now I can use two applications like this. I can do two works on same time. I think this feature is very helpful to you.